The market has priced in the risks of conflict escalation in Donbass. Unless there is a new round of tensions, the ruble may stabilize soon. Oil has also reached a balance. Investors have taken into account both the economic recovery and the increase in oil supply by the OPEC members and other oil producers. Brent has settled in the range between $60 and $65 per barrel, while WTI stayed between $57.50 and $62.50 per barrel. There are the levels where crude demand and supply found balance. In the morning trade, Brent quotes moved slightly lower by 0.3% to $63.16 per barrel. It's expected to hold in the price channel between $60 and $65 a barrel. WTI, on the other hand, edged slightly higher in the early session. It gained 0.2% to hit $59.70 per barrel. Meanwhile, the Russian market expects the Central Bank of Russia to raise interest rates during its policy meeting on April 23rd. This is quite logical since inflation is staying above the inflation target set by the regulator. Additionally, a decline in the ruble will definitely accelerate it. The dollar-ruble pair was trading at 76.90. The pair is expected to stay in the price channel between 76 and 77.50 rubles per dollar. And now let's have a look at the euro. Today, the euro-ruble pair was trading at 91.50 amid a relatively strong position of the Russian ruble. The pair will most likely stay in the range of 90.50 to 92.50 rubles per euro. Recently, the euro has advanced against the greenback on foreign exchange. However, according to analysts, the European currency may stop rising after reaching a strong resistance level. Yesterday, the euro-dollar pair went up to the level of 1.1927, its highest point since March 23rd. The euro strengthened amid the speech by the ECB President Christine Lagarde, who said that the EU economy had high chances for rapid growth. The European Central Bank will reduce the emergency stimulus measures for the economy as soon as the vaccination campaign has its positive effect. The ruble's trajectory will be mostly determined by the development of conflict on the border between Ukraine and Russia. The situation there remains tense and raises concerns. Thus, the US is negotiating the current state of affairs in this region with the NATO allies. Therefore, the Russian currency is still under pressure from the geopolitical risks, although they have become less intense lately. Besides, there are no strong grounds for the ruble to rise since the national economy is still weak. You've watched Daily Financial News on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. See you back soon.